Good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back in the online teaching of St. Thomas School, Maua, Standard 8, Subject English, Unit 5, What's the Evidence? Let us continue in Activity 3. In that we were discussing about Interpretation 3. In 1915, moreover, his sole intention was to write Thomas. Whose intention? Robert Frost's intention. Frost had frequently taken long countryside walks with Thomas. Many a time they were walking together. Repeatedly, Thomas would choose a route which might enable him to show his American friend a rare plant or a special vista. Here Thomas, he was also going with him, which will help to American friend Robert Frost to grow or to shape a special work for him. But then Thomas would regret the choice he had made, and he would sigh over what he might have shown Frost if they had taken better direction. He was saying that a better direction if he have decided instead of going off out of this two road diverged. Frost teased Thomas for those wasted regret, the time you have wasted, like that he was saying. Frost found something quaintly romantic in a shying over what might have been, what it was there, like that he was saying to Thomas. Such a course of action was a road never taken by Frost. Like that road you should not take, okay, which is less travel. You should not choose this, according to Thomas. If we are to believe Frost and his biographer, the road not taken was intended to serve as Frost's gentle jest. Thomas explains. He said it was a kind of joke what he was saying. Another question there, if you read this interpretation for your group, write down what you think the main idea. If you listen summary from the group member, write down the main idea you hear, the main idea interpretation 3. Okay, that also I will give, and the expression main idea next question also I will give in a PDF, you can write. Now activity number 4. Compare the part with the present. These sentences show situation in the past. Read them carefully and write corresponding sentence about the same situation in the present. Situation given in past and present. There was a time when car parking was no problem at all. Then present. Nowadays car parking has become a big problem. Okay. Then there was no way to know which road was best back then. Then nowadays there are many ways to know which road is best back. Okay, the past you have to convert in present. Then policeman wore long wool coat and tall hat in those days. Now policeman in these days wear khaki or white pants and shirts. Then in the past living a fence unpainted was unheard of. Then nowadays building hardly have fence, they have compound wall well painted. Then in earlier time people believed in giants and fairies. The days people hardly believe in giant and fairy. Okay, that also I will give in a PDF form. Now activity number 5. Look at the 3 interpretation of the road not taken. They each have a different idea about what the poem means, and they each give evidence. They have given evidence and proof for their idea. Interpretation 1 gives evidence from the poem itself. The writer of interpretation 1 gives details from the poem explained in idea which he has given about. When a writer looks carefully at the details of something in order to understand the whole, we can call this analyze. Interpretation first uses analysis of the poem as evidence for the interpretation. We can interpret what he has given in a first interpretation. The The student has given that. Interpretation 2 and 3 both use analysis of the poem, but they also use other sources of evidence. Other sources also you can use. What are the other sources they use? Okay, that I will give you. Then write paragraph giving your own interpretation of Robert Frost, The Road Not Taken. Reference the poem in your paragraph. Okay. For evidence of your idea, use lines from the poem. Okay, that also I may give you. Okay, so here we will stop, my dear students. Okay, we will continue later on. Thank you very much. Goodbye.